Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Toyota Camry, and this quick video I'd like to show you how to take off your front driver's side door panel. It's gonna be the same procedure with the passenger side. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this cap right here. This is a cap, and using a flathead screwdriver. So you just take the screwdriver from the left and pry it out. So get it out. Okay, put it on the floor. Now you'll have to remove this screw right here. Okay, once you have the screw out, next step is we will remove this shifter. Okay, so this panel right here. How do we do this? Little by little, using a screwdriver. Be careful, don't scratch this stuff. Okay, little by little, I'm gonna try to find some point like this, for example. Okay, just little by little, I'm gonna pry it off. Now the thing is, be careful. This thing should slide back, right, like this. Okay, so first of all you're gonna raise up this side, and then you're gonna slide it to the left. Otherwise you're gonna break the pin, which is over here. So I'm putting you guys here. Just little by little, don't over force it, you can break some plastic or scratch it. Now get this out. 1, 2, 3, easy. Now remove clips, the connectors. One. Just have to press on the connector and pull. Put this thing here for now. Next step, we'll have to remove this screw right here. Okay, next step, just remove this plastic right here. So just take a screwdriver and put it on the bottom here, and just unclip it. Okay, don't overforce it again, don't break nothing. Okay, next step, we'll have to take off this panel. So again, take a screwdriver and little by little raise up. Hope you guys can see it from here. Just get your screwdriver in carefully, little by little, baby steps. Okay, good. Remove this thing. Okay, like this. Get it out, and you're okay. Once we have the screw out, we should be able to unclick the panel from the door. So I'm gonna put you guys here. You guys should find some nice grabbing point on the bottom and try to unclick this panel. Okay, so also remove from the top. Okay guys, so we have the panel here. To remove, the next thing, we're gonna remove the handle. 1 and 2. Get these balls out. Get these balls out. Put it here. That's it. You have your panel here. You have it off. At this point, you can just do whatever you have to do. Okay, all the necessary procedures to be done now. Okay. Now let's put the panel back on. So it's gonna be the same reverse procedure. Just put the green one on the bottom, the white one here. So you're just putting the ball in the gap and like this. Double check if everything works. Good. Connect connectors. Connectors, I believe they went through this, and this goes to the light. Now we're gonna put everything back on. How do we do that? First of all, we will want to remove the clips, which, for example, we lost a clip from here, it's still in here. So clips like that we want to get out with the screwdriver and put them back in here. So get the clip out, for example, if it's there, and put it back in here. Same thing about all other clips. Now when we're done, we're gonna put the top one first. I'm gonna put you guys here. guys see it. Now we're gonna put the top on first. Okay, make sure there is no gap over here, and then we're gonna try to slightly tap. Don't lose your connectors, you're gonna need them. There's also one connector here. Alright, all set. Almost. So the light connected. And put it back in. Okay, like this. Now put back 3 screws, the black one here and 2 silver ones in here and here. Once the screws are back in, so we're just gonna take this thing, put it back in. It just clips back in, and this thing right here. So just reconnect connectors. Okay, if it doesn't fit, I guess that's wrong. One. Two. Now we put this end in first, like this, okay, and just tap it in. Simple. This thing goes in here. And this cap goes on top. That's it. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.